What's happening, YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we're looking at the brand new t-shirt. This is from Teespring. Very good design there. Today we're gonna get rid of our old t-shirt here. We're gonna do one from Teespring. So here we go. Oh, if you wanna get one of these, I'll link this down below. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what we got here. As you can see there, spring. Pretty good minimalist design. I like that. Pretty cool. I didn't actually think this is my first time ordering one for myself. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There you go. Up here you get these little things here. Little advertisement there. On the bottom here you see the shirt right here, and then that's it for the box. There you go. Pretty cool. Yeah, packaging wise, very nice. Good job, Teespring. I would give you 8 out of 10 there for that. Let's look at the shirt here. Let's see how it does. I got double XL here. As you can see here, this design there. Ooh, it's actually a good print right there. Very detailed actually. Very nice. Let's go ahead and wear it now. This is double XL. I think this is the premium tee. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put it on. Very nice. It's actually a good fit. I like how it's kind of tight on the shoulders there. This is actually a slim fit version as well, but it does fit me well even though it's slim fit. I do wear normally double XL shirts, and it's nice that this still fits. Like I said right there, there's the croaky design. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I would give this shirt definitely a 9 out of 10. It's quite a nice shirt. It fits well. The top is crew neck right there. For those of you who want V-neck, I can also put that below. Let me know in the comments below. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Teespring shirt. If you want to design yourself, you can also make an account there. I'll link everything down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit the like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.
Today's sponsor is Clean My Mac X. Make your slow Mac faster again like the day you got it. With the click of a button, you can get rid of your junk, malware, and free up space so that your Mac can go faster again. With this, you can get rid of viruses, adware, worm, and ransomware. Basically anything you need so that you can make your Mac fast again. So get Clean My Mac trial today. Link in the description below.